Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again yet to another video here from
This is Kenyatta Market.
This is Kenyatta Market opposite Mbagathi Hospital. Yes, Silvio? Okay. So this is Mbagathi Hospital and this one is the famous
Kenyatta Market.
Kenyatta Market. So I'm here still with the Pamba Anolda.
Yes, hi good people. How are you? How are you doing? This is Pamba Anolda, the one and only.
Pamba
Pamba Anolda. So we've come from the markets. We're now headed to Ngumo. This is the Ngumo area. We've just passed Kenyatta Market on the other end. This is Mbagathi Road Primary School. Yeah.
Right there.
Yes, and on this other side, this is Mbagathi Hospital. There's a mob on the other downside. But there is also like a research area around here. When the pandemic was around, they created this area around here. You'll see it.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is your hood.
Yeah. Yes, so we are in my hood. This is my area now.
Yes.
I think I've shown you guys on my channel before. I think there's a day I recorded this way showing you around. But yeah, this is where I stay now. We have schools, hospitals, morgues, research institutes, places, markets. Yeah, there's Kenyatta Market. Kenyatta Market is known for when the Uhuru Kenyatta was the president, because it's known for nyama choma mostly. So
he loved nyam choma.
Nyam choma, he came there. There's a place where he ate. There's a picture of him eating with Sakaja, the dimple guy, and Sonko.
Yes.
Yeah, our dimple guy, Sonko, Sakaja, and Uhuru came and ate from that place. Even when my Ugandan friend, she was around, called Nabs Ara. Yeah, when she came around, she wanted to taste the nyama choma. So we went there and ate some nyama choma with her. Yeah, she loved it. She recorded a video. You can check it out on her channel. When she was eating the nyama choma where the president ate. So it's just like rubbing shoulders with the president. You know, you eating where the president ate. Rubbing shoulders with the mighty.
With the mighty.
Yeah.
So this is awesome. Okay, actually it's a very beautiful place.
Yeah. It's in the evening. Kids are coming from school.
You can see them there. We are not showing faces, but yes.
The road is busy. People coming from work because it's around 5 in the evening. Yeah. So I'm just rushing to go meet my friend. I wanted to take a tour with her inside the Kibera estate, the Kibera itself, the Kibera slum. So we are going to risk it. The kids behind us are telling you, your phone will be snatched. Simu itaibiwa.
Simu itaibiwa. Nani atataka kuiba?
But actually I've gone there with my phone before and it wasn't stolen. I usually buy, sometimes there's the mixture of maize and beans, githeri, beans itself, chapatis. I usually buy from there because it's a border of Ngumo and Kibera. They're just like closely related like this. The end of Ngumo, start of Kibera. So that's where I buy my food.
So what do you love about this place right here?
It's quiet, it's chilled, it has a very serene ambience. This is Mbagathi High School.
Mbagathi High School.
Very neat, look at it.
Yes.
And then on the opposite side, now this is the funeral home I was telling you about. So we have a funeral home on this side. Then,
from where the bus is coming from, or this gate here?
No, this gate. I think even the bus is coming to pick the body. Because today is Friday, most burials are done on Saturday. And this is Kemri, you know, the Kenya Medical Research Institute.
The famous one. I've been just hearing about it. At least I'll step next to it, not inside but next to it. Okay.
It's a good one. There's some music taken. I think we are almost there. My friend has told me she's around
this place.
Building called
So we are going to meet Pamba's friend.
We've never actually met, just spoken online. This is our first time meeting. She should be around.
Okay. Suppose you are to move. Will you be willing to move from this place?
I've moved before and came back. She should be around this
So that
area.
means this place is awesome.
Oh, she's there.
Oh, she has been just seeing us here. Oh, that's nice. So her friend is here. We want to see the international hug.
Yeah, she's called Mariana. Mariana is her name.
Mariana. Hey, Mariana. Look at that.
We've kept you.
No, not in person.
Okay, you
Yes.
can say hi,
Hi.
on our camera here.
Naogopa kamera.
Kwa nini?
She's saying she's camera shy.
Mbona unaogopa kamera?
But sijakuweka sana, si ndio?
Iko tu sawa.
Because I had actually told you we meet at 5. Ndio nikikuweka sana nikuweke na 5 minutes. But then you came
Ulisema
earlier.
5.
Yeah, nilisema 5. You didn't see the text? For sure. On WhatsApp I had texted.
So they're catching up as we are from in this area here. This is Ngumo area, and this one here is the border of Ngumo and Kibra. So right through this direction here, that's Kibra, and this is Ngumo right here, but Kibra is the other side of there. So this is Love of Theo. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are new here, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for keeping tuned in this YouTube channel. So thank you so much. As I'm showing you around, we are moving step by step, slow by slow. Yes. Yes, this is called
Magiwa Estate.
Magiwa. Hey, we are in Magiwa Estate, where this beautiful lady here resides.
Okay.
Beautiful people stay in beautiful places.
Yeah, look at this. We have fruits all over the place. Let's try here.
The fruits here.
These are called,
They're called what?
loquats.
Loquat.
Yeah,
I've not heard of
loquats,
that.
but they're
Are
not.
they sweet?
Yeah, they are. We go.
Okay. So we are in this beautiful estate here, where this beautiful lady
We
stays,
go this way.
resides. We go this way. She's giving me directions.
Jaribu loquats. You've never tested them?
I've never
Nice.
tasted
You want
too.
to try?
This I'll try, but let's drop this first.
Okay.
I'll come back and pluck mine.
Move closer, and then there's a friend of mine out there who was asking if you're single. Are you single?
Are you
Yeah.
single?
You're not single?
Which friend?
You are not
Then
single.
do the guy.
Mm.
I'm not single for and do the guy.
But you are single for somebody else.
For a guy with a
depends
Mercedes.
who's asking.
It depends with who is asking.
Depends who's asking.
So look at this beautiful place here. Wow. Hey, hey. Mtoto Sonko.
Nani?
The Pamba and all that.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
This way.
The estate is called
Magiwa.
Magiwa.
You've forgotten? Like maziwa but with a G.
Magiwa.
Hmm.
Magiwa. That means, which language is that?
Magiwa Estate.
Maziwa. Where did Maziwa come
Maziwa is milk.
Where
So I'm
did
just
Maziwa
telling you,
from? Oh,
you replace the Z with G.
with the G. So Magiwa here in Nairobi. Hey, inaitwaje? Sasa this is this way. Hey, if you better tell somebody if he's coming
You're
in.
walking behind.
Why?
Yeah, tunarudi tukifanya yangu sasa.
Why?
You should
Oh,
be.
this is his.
This is his. We'll have him set
This
in
is
mine.
mine. So this is your name again?
Mariana.
Mariana. Mariana. Tell me about Mariana. Who is Mariana?
Yeah.
A girl.
Everybody knows yes,
that
he's
is
a
such
girl.
a hard question to
Not
ask.
no. Okay. Hey, what should I
I'm
say?
Mariana. I'm 19. Nini tena?
19.
You're still a baby.
But she has ID. She's
Me?
not a baby.
Not
You have
yet.
your ID? You didn't apply?
I'm about to.
You're about to. You should.
I went, then there was like stuff I was missing, but then I got everything, so now I'm good.
What do you do?
What do I do?
Yes.
I'm a student.
You're a student.
Yeah. Where? Not in Kenya.
Not in Kenya.
No.
Hey, okay. So today we have a privilege to talk to somebody from
she's
overseas.
from the US.
The USA.
Yeah.
United
You see how
States of
I have
America.
rich friends. A very heavy friend.
Hey.
Hapo kwa rich.
How was the US? Ama, how is the US?
It's great.
Great.
Yeah.
How long have you been there?
I don't know, like 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah, but I like come back every year.
Every year, at least to see family.
Yeah.
And enjoy the food, right?
So comparing the Kenyan food and the US food, which one is nice and better? Or which one are you?
food.
Kenyan food.
And food, obviously.
Why?
That's a question.
Ugali. You missed ugali.
I'm not even a fan of ugali, but like
real?
Kenyan food in general is just better.
But for me, actually,
Mariana, you taller than me.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's the thought has just
No,
occurred
no,
to
no.
me. You hold nicely. I want to see. Is she taller?
no.
I am.
Yeah,
We are
she
the
is.
same height,
No.
right? Tunatoshana?
The ground.
Mimi. Just
Move this
remember
way.
the flat
Just-
basi.
Oh, yeah. Who's taller?
Me.
She's taller.
Me.
She's
A
taller.
little bit, yeah.
Hey, you are a real Mukamba.
How?
Because instead of saying it's far, you are saying just here. You
Oh.
remember when we were?
Yeah, but it's a bit far.
So you said 4 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it a move closer? So is it a family, whatever is staying back home, or you have just gone by yourself?
Just by myself.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
So look at this beautiful lady opening the gate. She's not opening. We are again entering. Jeez. Jeez. This one you cannot tell somebody that just come, you will find me in the house. You have to pick them from the gate. Yeah.
So we are going back.
Again. So many houses.
The back side. Drop the bags and then we leave.
We leave. The bags are here.
And show them the greenness.
The green area. Hey,
Sugar cane.
sugar cane. This is Ocha. You can't miss home. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Avocado. Hey, you are staying in Mashamba, my friend.
Eaten all the
Avocado. So you cannot say it, you are in the city.
We have rabbits equally.
You are staying in the city?
You see the rabbits as well.
Ah, okay.
So we've reached it here. You see?
Let me show you the rabbits. The rabbits are here. Oh, you are farming somewhere. Where was it? There's somewhere here.
This is mine. Yeah, this is the farm. You see
Hey.
how well taken care of.
Look at this lady here. She's farming.
It's been a bit dry.
Look at
so
her
we
farm.
haven't Really, we're waiting for good rains. Then we can plant the the greens again.
Okay.
So
Is this your sugar cane?
no, that's for the neighbor. Yeah.
So here you can enjoy
Mariana,
the
come
sugar
in.
cane. So we are right here from Nairobi again, once again from Pamba Anola's palace and place. So we are cruising. We are moving out of this home here, but I think we are just moving slowly, right from this area here. So it's a nice place, very well secured place. You can see the barbed, the razor wire, this electric wire. So all of it is right there from this beautiful place here in Nairobi. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for keeping locked to this channel. This is a very beautiful, I'm so much excited for those ones who are coming back and supporting this YouTube channel right here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, check my YouTube channel, make sure you we move together, support me as I give you the right and the good content, showing all around Africa, showing you Kenya, showing you the villages, showing you the towns, the cities, and so many places here in Kenya. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for thank you for trusting this awesome and beautiful channel right here that gives you all the content, everything, nice content right here from Kenya. I'm showing you around Kenya. Show me around Kenya, around Africa. The perception about Africa, that Africa is a poverty based environment. Africa is maybe the place where there are beggars or what. So Africa is also a very nice place that people are very so much excited to stay in Africa. If you have not visited Africa, please try your best and try to come to this beautiful and awesome country right here in Kenya. So Pamba Anola is making her video right there, and I want just to move so that I don't interrupt their video right there. So I'm trying to know this place if I can remember the route. So this awesome this home here, this place here, this town here, this residential Pamba Anola's residential place. So this is what I've never been. So look at that. What's the difference between Africa and the US? If you can see, look at the beautiful home. These are the places. Look at everything. Look at the houses. Everything is awesome and beautiful. The people are very, very welcoming, very nice people, very good people right here in Africa. So this is a gated community. This is a gated community here in Nairobi, and the people are staying here harmoniously with a lot of security. Everything is nice, super awesome and super beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are new in this channel, make sure you check out other videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's like the video, let's like everything, and thank God that everything is going on well. Let's try to do something. So for this channel I've applied for the monetization in this channel right here. I've applied for the monetization, and very soon we are getting the pin. I'm waiting for the pin. Is on the way. So they'll mail the pin to my postal address, and I'll be able to pick the pin and see if we can get something. Yeah. So through your support, if you want me to show you more and beautiful Africa, the beautiful places, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you do everything nice justice to this channel by liking, sharing the video, subscribing, and doing all the justice that it deserves for it to move ahead and at least bring something for me to show you more and more content. We go to places, we go to everywhere that we need to go. So right behind me over there, you can see those two ladies over there behind those cars there. That's Pamba Anolda and Marianne over there. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for keeping locked. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. So the plans of this channel are very huge. I'll be showing you in the near future. Actually, in the near future, we shall be traversing and moving across the world, just showing you the content, showing you around Africa, showing you the infrastructure, showing you about the people, showing you cultures, showing you everything that it deserves for someone to be in to be proud of his or her content. So we should be all be proud of this continent here Kenya, our continent of Africa here. Of Africa. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for keeping tuned in. As you can see, I'm in love of Theo regalia. Yes, love of Theo there. So I want just us to keep showing love. Make sure you love us, you show love to this channel, you show justice to this channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Just show some love, show some love, show some love. I really appreciate and thank you for everything about this channel. If we progress, if the love of Theo progresses, you also progress, Africa progresses. Everybody we get a knowledge, we get so many information about our beloved country Kenya, our beloved continent, our heritage, our what we are proud of. Like today we have been in the market just showing, buying the African stuff, African stuff. The Africa, I'm telling you, is an amazing Africa. So it will be more amazing if all of us see and see what Africa has, see what Africa has in this land, what it has, what it contains, the people, how are the people, how is everything about Africa taking us. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to just say that thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much for working with me throughout this journey since the beginning, since I started this channel with the different topics back then. But now we are settled on showing Africa. Who is Africa? Who is an African? What is Africa? What Africa has? What are plants, crops grown in Africa? How do Africans get married? How so many things about Africa. We are going to enjoy them right from the Love of Theo channel right here. So ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate our African heritage, we celebrate our African cultures. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So many people will know about Africa if only and only if we share the information, we let them know, we let them understand that this is Africa and this is what we have, the resources that we have in Africa. So many of us, we are hearing of having gold, having diamond, having so many the ivories, the what, but we have not seen the importance of these things. We have not seen these things live. You have just heard them over the radio, and some of the things are not being shown on TV. So we want just to show you those things that are not shown in Africa. So that is how it is. This is the love of Theo, and the love of Theo is to show Africa the love to an African community, to African population, to African people, and everything about Africa. We are going to get it right from the Love of Theo channel. So ladies and gentlemen, that's Pamba Arnolda there with her friend again. So allow me now to sign out this video, and please make sure, if you want to know about Africa, if you want to know about Kenya, if you want to know about the African countries, the different African cultures, please, this is the right place to be. Hey, this is the right place to be for you to experience what Africa has for you. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Thank you. Keep on subscribing, keep on checking this video, keep on liking this video. So I'm in this beautiful estate right here, and I would like to say bye bye. May God bless you. May you be blessed as you continue supporting me in this my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless you, and adios. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Let me now join these ladies.